Let's get started. While holding your resin tank with two hands, rest the tank in your Form 3. Using two thumbs, gently push towards the back of the printer to seat your tank. Your Form 3B will chime letting you know when the tank has been properly seated. Next, shake your resin cartridge to mix your resin and insert your cartridge. Open the ventilation cap. The last step before you can prime your printer is to insert your clean build plate. Priming your printer is easy. Follow the steps on your display. The display will inform you if any of the previous steps were not performed properly. After your print has completed, remove the build plate and pre-wash your parts prior to placing them into your form wash. By washing off the majority of the excess resin, pre-washing your parts greatly extends the life of your IPA in your form wash. This step is well worth the time. Not only does it result in cleaner parts, but it makes our lives easier when we don't have to change the IPA in the form wash bucket as often. Be sure to give extra attention to the bracket slots and tubes where resin may accumulate. While we watch the pre-wash, we have time to answer some frequently asked questions. Can I start a print and leave it in my printer overnight? Absolutely. Put your printer to work at night and even the weekend. Do I have to use 99% IPA in my form wash? Yes, this is an often overlooked requirement that results in less than perfect parts. Remember, it is very important that bracket slots are precise. Using 99% IPA ensures that no resin residue will remain after wash. Next, set your build plate on the form wash platform with parts hanging down. Check the level of your IPA in your wash bucket. Wash your print according to Braces on Demand's recommended time. For this print, 15 minutes is recommended for Biomed Clear. Next, it is important that you wash your parts for Braces on Demand's recommended time. It is also important that you do not overexpose your parts to alcohol. We recommend that you set a timer to inform you when the wash is complete. Then, gently blow dry your parts. Dried parts are critical when curing in vegetable glycerin to ensure parts don't stain during treatment. Using one of the two instruments provided in your Formlabs kit, remove your Braces on Demand parts. Before the parts are cured in vegetable glycerin, it is absolutely critical that the parts are completely dry. Place the parts on a clean surface and air dry for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, submerge your dry parts in vegetable glycerin while curing. Glycerin aids in a uniform cure and greatly reduces water absorbency. Glycerin is key for your bracket to become stain resistant. Cure in glycerin using BOD's recommended cure time and temperature. For Biomed Clear, cure for 60 minutes at 60 degrees Celsius. While your parts are curing, this is a great time to clean your build platform and prime your printer for your next print. Rinse each part under warm to hot water for 30 seconds. Congratulations, you are nearly finished. After rinsing for 30 seconds, gently blow dry your parts and place them on a clean surface to dry. After drying, use a Sharpie to highlight the bracket numbers located on the dorsal fin. Thank you for watching our tutorial. If you have any questions, please reach out to sales@bracesondemand.com.